Hello, for this video, I'm gonna make a lamb meat barbecue platter recipe. And here are the prepared ingredients. Here I have lamb meat, kafta meat, and onions, tomatoes, chilies, cooking oil, and I prepared here my seasonings, teaspoon of normal pepper, black, and salt. And I have also here already cut parsley, sliced onion, and a tablespoon of sumac. And also I have here chickpeas or hummus, a tablespoon of sesame paste, a half lemon, a piece of garlic, and potato strips, barbecue stick. And now let's get started. Let's season our lamb meat. Let's put tablespoon of cooking oil, add our prepared seasonings, mix all together. Now it's done. Put aside. Now let's put our kafta, our barbecue stick. It's done. And it's done. Set aside. Now with our barbecue machine, let's first barbecue our veggies. And now let's put our lamb meat, our barbecue stick. And then let's turn on the other side. For the meantime, let's prepare our hummus. Let's squeeze lemon, smash the garlic, put lemon juice, our prepared sesame seed, half teaspoon of salt, mix it well. Done. Put aside. Let's mix our parsley salad. Let's put our sumac, a half teaspoon of salt, mix it. Done, and set aside. With our preheated oil, let's fry our potato. Now let's start making our barbecue meat. Gather them aside to have a space for our meat barbecues. Let's start with our lamb meat. Let's put our kafta meat. Turn on the other side. The first batch of kafta barbecue done. So let's put the last batch. I mean, put above those already done. Now almost done.
The smell of the barbecue makes me hungry. Is it done yet, Mom?
Yeah, almost done.
Yeah.
Almost
Yay.
done.
Hold on. Yay, I can't wait.
Okay. And our potato fries is already done. It's done. Now let's remove our fries from the pan. Fries done, and let's sprinkle a bit of salt. Set aside. And our barbecue meat is done. Turn it off. Let's put in our plate hummus, our prepared hummus, potato fries, our prepared parsley salad, some barbecue veggies, our barbecue meat, and our delicious lamb meat barbecue platter recipe is ready to serve. Yada Mariuma.
Yes, Mom. Is this my plate?
Yes.
Yay!